I will say it's kind of nice when the charts play out exactly how you think they're going to. I wish I had actually done more buying yesterday, but obviously Bitcoin did a fantastic job breaking through some levels it was struggling with. ADA broke exactly the way that we predicted that it would, and everything's starting to move in the right direction. Here we go. Now, the ADA chart has been obviously looking great now for over 3 weeks, almost a full month. Okay, we've been following this ascending channel. We talked about this, I believe, yesterday or the day before, and we broke to the upside out of this very bullish pennant. There was a lot of energy behind this. In fact, it was coming to a point at that bottom trend line that we had been following this channel in, right? The last time we saw this happen, it touched that level and it shot right up, and we thought this was going to happen again, and lo and behold, here we go. It's happening right here in the middle of this chart. Now, we've actually just skyrocketed through 40 cents. Was not any looking back at that point. No resistance getting through it. And now we currently sit between 40 cents and 42 cents. Now, these are going to be kind of our resistance and support levels in this current range here. Now, what we could possibly see here is obviously we have a big day coming tomorrow, which I'll get into that in another video, but we may just blow right through this to the upside and go up and try to test the top of this channel, right? We've done that multiple times. So we obviously tested, then we came up and tested. So if history repeats itself, guys, that means we are likely going to, obviously, we tested right here, and that means we may come up and test all the way up at 44 cents, which would be incredible, right? I would like that. I'm sure you guys would too. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. We don't know what's going to happen, but it all does depend really on, I think, tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very big indicator. And I'll get to that in another video. Now, what we also thought was going to happen with this break to the upside on this chart was the Cardano ADA TVL. Okay, TVL has started to take off again. In fact, we have now hit a yearly high for locked ADA. This is awesome. If we look across all these parts of the Cardano ecosystem, they're all growing on the 1 day, the 7 day, the 1 month, right? Obviously, some of them down a little bit for the monthly, but the big dogs right here are crushing it, right? And they're continuing to garner more and more support, and this will likely continue to be the case as the ecosystem continues to grow and expand. Actually, I didn't look at the staking in there too. Yeah, that's doing well too. Well, I guess everything's going well in Cardano, guys. That's all you really need to know from this. So, but pay attention. Over the next 24, 48 hours, we're going to get some kind of indication as to what direction we're going. And again, I'll talk about that in another video, why tomorrow is in fact important, because obviously I like to keep these videos a little shorter. But enjoy the moment, guys. It's not always you get days like this, especially in bear markets. And in fact, like I've said before, I think if BTC can stay above 30K, if it can hold this level, I think we are officially in a bull market. Despite all the negative macro factors, despite inflation, despite high interest rates, despite the possibility of the US dollar losing its strength, around the world, we are looking actually very good in spite of all those things right now. So appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support if you haven't, but I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.